Kia ora everybody. Today I want to talk about the greatest vote of the year. No, it's nothing politics, it's not games, it's not movies, it's not pretty people, it's birds. Bird is the word today for the rest of the week and a bit. You might remember about a year ago, comedian John Oliver on his show Last Week Tonight did a couple of segments about our competition, Bird of the Century Award. Really big deal. He pretty much went around the world and did a campaign for the Australasian crested grebe, and it blew it out of the water. It won, hands down, landslide. Great. I want to say to everyone who possibly voted for that or heard about it, it is on again. It's not the century, it's just the year. It's the Bird of the Year award, not quite as big, but a lot of birds are vying to put that feather in their crown, right? Now you get 5 votes in this competition, but with all the birds you can choose from, that's not really enough. Still, they've listed them in sort of categories of not endangered, sort of endangered, and seriously in danger. So I'm going to be putting my votes for, I'm still trying to figure out a few of them, but I'm definitely going for the albatross and the Kia, and I actually want to give a lot of attention to this guy, who is the Australasian crested grebe's cousin, the New Zealand crested grebe, also known as the New Zealand dab bird. Is that how you dab? I don't even know how to dab. How do you dab? Is that right? I should look that up. But I mean, look at those eyes. You know, that is the stuff you see in your nightmares. That is the look people give you if you spoil their favorite show. That is it. That's what it is. It's like, I'm just so angry right now that once I come out of this rage, I'm going to do something to you, but I'm too enraged to do something yet. Just give it a minute. Hey man, I just found out this really cool new show. It's a bit old. It's called Birds of Feather. Oh, it's so awesome. I'm just really so into this one character. His name's Lord Kaka, and he's so stoic and brave, and I think he's going to be the hero of the show, and I can't wait to see what the show does with his character. Oh, he gets plucked really early on into season 1, I think. So do a lot of the other birds. In fact, it gets a bit weird at the end where this strange spectacle owl comes and gives all his powers to the Australasian crested grebe. And there was this pretty intense battle near the end. I don't know what happened. I couldn't quite see. I don't think anyone could quite see what was going on. It was a bit of a mess because, see, in the books, I also read the books, by the way, but they are also under a different name, Songbird of Dirt and Cloud. Well, in the books, the books hadn't actually caught up yet, but it's a very different story. But the showrunners didn't want to wait for the turtle writers to catch up on what they were doing, so they just made up their own ending. They didn't really know what to do. Anyway, the website will be in the description below. Please go out and vote, and if you can, please donate. All donations go to an amazing organization, Forest and Bird, whose mission it is to just defend Aotearoa New Zealand's beautiful nature. Right, from the birds, to trees, to the coastlines, all native animals. They're really here just to try and keep the environment healthy and thriving. Because New Zealand is such a beautiful place, it's kind of our main export in a way. People come here just to see the views. We kind of need this. And why wouldn't you want to keep it beautiful? Anyway, enough of me blabbling on about nature. This is pretty much all the important part of this video. The rest I'm just going to go out and see if I can bird watch. I'm not good at it. I don't expect to get any results. But for every like on this video, I put $5 towards a donation. Actually, no, I don't like that. I might just donate 50, and if I get more than 10 likes on this video, I'll donate an extra $5 or something. I can probably only limit it to 100 the most. It's about a quarter of my weekly paycheck. I know $5, $10 isn't a lot. It is a lot for me at the moment. I'm not that financially secure. I just really want to do some good stuff out here while I can. Voting closes Sunday the 15th of September at 5 p.m. New Zealand time. So you have a bit longer than I do at this point. I'll stop counting my likes at 24 hours before then, Saturday the 14th, 5 o'clock, just so I have enough time to vote and donate, because it's going to take me a wee bit of time to figure out what the other 2 birds are going to be. You know what? No, it's not. Maybe Weka. I do love the Weka now. That is an awesome bird. Had a great time with that bird. Anyway, like I said, the rest of this video is just going to be nonsense of me walking around. If I see a bird, I'll clip it on a chapter thing for the YouTube, and you can just go and see me seeing a bird, but otherwise it is mostly going to be me wandering aimlessly, which is the idea of this channel anyway. So, you know, it all goes in circles. Kia ora. There will be that's what I've been I think he's hiding pretty well now. Oh no, I can just see him. Ah, he's just went behind that rock too. He's quicker and smarter than I am. Oh. Ah, so close. Wow, you're cool. That was a lot just to take a photo of you, and you're not even showing me your face. Is this what celebrities feel like? Oh, show us your tits. My camera's definitely not equipped to do this sort of thing. If I ever get I should have bought my my photographer friend, whatever his name is. Where'd you go? Did you freak off after I slipped, did you? That's fair. Oh no, I can see you just went a bit higher, I think. I'm not going to get you. I don't want to go any further. There's a feather. Where is it? Try to work. Oh, there it is. I know why. Super zoomed in. The baby feather. Bye, you giant tease. Oh, don't you fucking. I know you're just a... Ah, why? Oh, then I pissed that one off too. I'm so bad at this. I need to stop being quieter. Oh, you beauty. Stay right there. I'll vote for you if you stay perfectly still. But don't walk into the sun. It's not your good side. Your front is your good side, I promise. Oh, you're beautiful. Come on. Work with me here, sweetie. World's worst cameraman. You look better in person than on my camera. Yep, show me your bum. I'll be very impressed if you can shit on. No, actually I'm not going to say that. That'll just happen. Are you the same one from before? Like, did you follow me? You're just a massive tease. You even know where the sun is, don't you? And your angle's so perfect that there's no way for me to see your face. Oh, you're just magnificent. You gorgeous tease. Here, show me what you got. Haha, you fell. Yeah, that's what you get. Oh well, those are some pretty decent pictures for me, considering I'm not being quiet. You're being really chill, so thank you. No. Oh, that would be better. Yeah, come this way. No, not that way. Don't be a dick. Just trust me when I say I have no desire to eat or harm you. Oh! I just want to be your friend. I'm going to walk away. I think that's the best I can do. Swear to shit, if you're following me, we'll have a talk. Keep taking photos as I walk backwards. If I turn around, it wasn't aggressive at me. I reckon I could take it. I couldn't. It doesn't seem to be following me anymore. I thought I was on the Harry L walkway. Well, what have I been doing? Old Dyer's track. So, oh, this just, okay, so it was. Let's go this way. Legitimately thought that was a bird from a while away. Glad it's not. Fuck, that's all done. Yeah. It's about right. Hello. I am a good boy. Well, I don't know where to go. Just keep going this way. I like these stairs, they look cool. Ah, stairs everywhere. Ah, nothing says nature like being close to an open road. 25 minutes. I'm probably not going to go quite that far. Oh no. Here's another bird. Same blackbird that I keep seeing. Well, not the same one, but look, they're so smart. I look directly at them, straight line. They're like, if I get behind this tree, you're done, son. You done gone, dig it gone, done now. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, I hope I got that on camera. Those are pine cones. Another blackbird. Yeah, other than that one big boy, pretty sure it's just a pigeon. I've only seen a lot of blackbirds. One right there. Hello. You're gone still. It's okay. I shouldn't talk so much. There's a beer bottle. It's very Kiwi. I think next year I'll wonder if I can plan this better and yeah, I should talk about Harry L one day. But the cliff notes. Sorry, the cliff notes. What the heck noise was that? Oh, how do I do cliff notes? He's basically the reason we have a lot of these Port Hill tracks. Turn my back over. Don't want to film other people. I don't have to. So anyway, he is generally responsible for all these tracks we have in the Port Hills that we can all enjoy. So he's got this one long track. Most tracks in New Zealand will loop, but this track is quite long, and funnily, if you put it into Google Maps, it'll put you to a parking lot right in the middle. So I don't actually think I've done this track. Walked a lot of the Port Hills, but there's a point where I stopped doing tracks. Well, my friends and I. One day we did a sort of like a spin the bottle sort of thing, but no, let's not call it that, because that's got bad connotations. What did I do? We threw a stick in the air, and whichever way it pointed, we just went that way for a bit. First thing it did, led us right over a wall. Probably like went the one way we were like, yeah, we don't want to actually do that. And what we did, we ended up climbing over bush so dense that we could climb over top of trees. It was just that dense that you couldn't go through it, but you could sort of, couldn't quite walk over top of it. It wasn't strong enough for that, but you could crawl over top of it. That'd be a good place for a bird nest. Well, not really, it's on the ground. The point of being in trees is away from things that can climb trees. What I love is that although I can't see them, I can hear so many don't know if either my camera or boom mic's not going to pick it up. So that's Christchurch. PUKEKOS, where are you? I don't think you come out this time of the day, but brown birds, I've seen quite a few of them. Just to go to see them. I guess the road's just got them too busy recently. Look! Yeah, if I do a ×2 zoom, I'll turn the fan off. Yeah! I knew there were PUKEKOS on this road. Wonder how close I can get. Probably not too close. I don't want to scare them off, but look at that. That one's going to jump. Yeah! Who are you? You too. That's awesome. I saw PUKEKOS. You might get my vote now. I doubt I'll get any closer than this without them freaking on me. I don't want to freak them in all honesty. They're still really cool. They're ready to go. I'll leave them alone now. I'm just going to drive up a bit. Thank you so much for existing. You're the best. Thank you. You're the best. You just made my day. Where the fuck are they? They're usually all over the place. They love the water. There's like swampy land. This is where they live. Come out! Come out so I can photography you! Why won't you let me photography you?